Hello students, come back to our class of English. Okay, now in the last class I have explained about the vocabulary part. Now we are going to learn some grammar part. Children. We are going to learn what to grammar. Yes, grammar. It is the page number 78, children. If you open the page number 78, let us see the grammar part. What is given in the grammar part heading? Simple past tense. That means we are going to learn something about the tenses, children. Here we are learning about what? Tenses. Okay, tenses. Now tell me, children. Now we are in the 7th class or in the 7th standard. So you know about the tenses. Yes. What are the tenses? There are how many types of tenses? Three. Okay, you have learned only three: present tense, past tense, future tense. First one is present. Present tense. Second is past tense. Next one future. Future tense. Okay. Present tense, past tense, future tense. So you have come across till now from primary to till the 6th class you have learned about these tenses, present tense, past tense and future tense. Now in this class we are going to learn about the simple past tense. Here past tense is given as simple past. Second divided into past tense. Okay. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn about the simple past tense. Past tense only. The past tense is subdivided into simple past tense, simple continuous tense. Yes, sir. Past continuous tense. Or this in this way you will find different types of tenses. So past tense is subdivided into another group. So they are the simple past and past continuous or past to future tense, like that. Okay, now let us see here. Read the following lines taken from the lesson. Read the following lines taken from the lesson. Let us see which lines are given in the lesson. Soon after the examination were over. Soon after the examinations were over, Mom made preparations for the trip. On the 25th of April, we took the Pinakini Express from Vijayawada and reached Chennai at 1 p.m. Got children? I have read one sentence or one paragraph. What is that? So here he has given paragraph and he gave some underlined words. What are the underlined words, children? Here, if you see the textbook, WERE, where over. Where is underlined. Made, 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 underlined. Next, took, TOOK, took. Next one is reached. Reached. Now let us see what these underlined words tells us. The underlined words are verbs in a simple past tense. So these all are, what are those verbs? Words where, comma, made, comma, reached, or took. So this all comes under the simple past tense. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the simple past tense. So he has given from the textbook few examples: where, made, reached, and took. These are the examples, children. Now let us see. The underlined words are verbs in the simple past tense and refer to action that took place in the past. Okay, whatever the words are given, no, they are referring what here? They are telling about the action. They are telling about the action that happened in the past. Already we have completed. That means already whatever the situation we have completed, no, according to that, based on that, these words are, this simple past tense is used. Now, simple past tense is used here to talk of completed action in the past. How we are using the simple past tense? Simple past tense is used. Okay, when we are using this, when we talk. When we make a talk of a completed action already which was completed, okay, which were completed, we are dealing about that action, the action which was completed in the past. So that is considered the simple past tense. Now given below is the action plan. The given below is the action plan, children. Means whatever the actions have done according to the plan he has given. According to the plan he has given. Let us see. Given below is the action plan prepared by the headmaster of Zilla Parishad High School. Okay, prepared by whom? Prepared by the Zilla Parishad headmaster HM of Zilla Parishad High School. Of which place, children? Kutubullah for a tour of Nagarjuna Sagar project. When the headmaster sir has arranged, prepared one plan. He has prepared one plan. In the same way, in our school also we will go for a picnic or any other tourist place. Yes or no, children? So before going that, we have to make one plan. We should have to make one plan. What is the plan? Here the headmaster has prepared a plan to visit the which tourist place here? Nagarjuna Sagar project. Okay, Nagarjuna Sagar project. They finished the tour on 50th October. On which date? On 50th October. Sorry, 15th October. 15th October. They have finished their tour, children. Describe the tour in the past tense by making appropriate changes in the work given in the action plan. Now, what he is telling? Describe the tour. We should have to describe the tour in the past tense by making appropriate changes. By making the appropriate changes, we should have to make the plan. Describe the tour in the past tense by making appropriate changes in the work given in the action plan. Now, how he has given? See here, children. How he has given? He has mentioned the time for every action. He has mentioned the time to us. He has mentioned the time to us. How he has mentioned? How he has mentioned? 6 a.m. All see in the textbook, page number 78. 6 a.m. Board the bus at the school. Board the bus at the school. Okay. Now look into the textbook. 8:30 a.m. Stop at Chintapalli. Okay. Chintapalli means they have stayed for few hours or few minutes at which place? Chintapalli. Next, 12 noon. 12 noon. Reach the spot. On which place they are going to visit? They have reached the spot. 1 p.m. Take lunch. 1 p.m. Take lunch. Next, 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. Visit the Nagarjuna Sagar project. They have visited the Nagarjuna Sagar project. 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. What they have done? Visit the museum. They have visited the museum also, children. 4:40 p.m. Visit Ettipotala Falls. They have visited to the Ettipotala Falls. 5 p.m. Board the bus. 8:30 p.m. Take supper at Chintapalli. Next, 10:30 p.m. Reach the school. Okay. So, can you tell me, children, when they have started from the school? They have board the school, board the bus at the school at 6 a.m. and they have reached the home at 10:30 p.m. children. So, now, what do you understand by reading this all plan? What do you understand? You can start like this. That means he is telling to write. Okay. He is telling to describe the tour. Describe the tour in the past tense by making appropriate changes. By making the appropriate changes, we are going to describe the tour. Now, children, it is your duty. Okay, your duty. What you should do? You can start like this. How you will start writing the describing the tourist place? See, when you refer the page number 79, in the beginning, on 15th October, okay. On 15th October, the students of ZPH School, Kutubullapur, started their tour to Nagarjuna Sagar project. Okay, what first sentence you should have to write in this way. How, children? On 15th October, the students of ZPH School, Kutubullapur, started their tour to Nagarjuna Sagar project. They boarded the bus at the school at 6 a.m. Okay, the first plan has came. What they have done? They have wrote in this way. 6 a.m. board the bus at the school. First point, children. How he mentioned? They boarded the bus at the school at 6 a.m. Got? In this way, you should have to form the sentences and describe the plan, children. Next, come to the second one, past continuous tense. Past, simple past tense. No, no. Here another one, past continuous tense. Past continuous. Past continuous tense. Okay, children. Past continuous tense. What it does? Okay. For the past tense, already the tool has completed now. Some few points we have mentioned in the simple past tense by using the words were, made, reached, took. Okay. Now we are dealing with the second part. What is the second part from here? Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. See here, one paragraph is given here or one sentence is given. Some foreign tourists on the beach were basking in the sun and enjoying themselves. The underlined verbs. What is the underlined verbs here? Were basking. Okay. Now in the simple past, where only came now. Where and the verb here has came now. Now see. Now the verb is in which form? ing form. Yes or no? ing form means it is in the past continuous tense, children. In which form it is? It is in the past continuous form. Some foreign tourists on the beaches were basking in the sun and enjoying themselves. Were basking, enjoying. These both are the past continuous form. The underlined verbs were basking and were enjoying are in the past continuous tenses. The past continuous. Now the definition, children. What is the definition of the past continuous tense? See here. The past continuous tense is used to talk about or when we are talking about or describe an action. We are describing the action or we are talking about the action which someone was doing. The action which was doing by someone, okay, was doing or an event which was happening at a particular time, in the past. Okay. So what is the meaning of the past continuous tense, children? The action which was described, someone was doing, okay, or an event which was happening at a particular time in the past. The action which was started in the past, so still now it is continuing. Then it is called a simple continuous tense. Or past continuous tense. Simple past tense completed now. Next, past. Whatever the action which was done in the past, now still it is continuing. Then it is called the past continuous tense, children. Now let us see here. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the verbs given in the bracket. Fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs, children. Okay, appropriate verbs are nothing but. Let us see. First one, they dash with each other when the police dash. Okay, first one given here. What is the first one, children? They dash with each other when the police dash. When the police dash, first dash is given and the second dash. In the bracket, which words are given? Fight. Now, appropriate verbs you have to write based on simple past tense and past continuous tense, children. Based on this both, we are going to fill the blanks. They dash with each other when the police dash. Fight arrived. In the first blank, use the word fight. Use the verb fight along with whether the past comes or simple comes. Okay. Now they dash with each other when the police dash. They were fighting. First one here. Were fighting. They were fighting. They were fighting each other when the police dash. Arrived. Past tense. Arrived. Arrived. A-R-R-I-B-E-D. Arrived. Okay, children. Now comes to the second one here. Second one. Let us see. Let us see. Second one. when Rajesh dash, comma, he dashed down and dash his leg. Run in bracket he has given what here? Run, fall, injure. Run, fall, injure. That means when Rajesh run, he fall down and injure his leg. Whether the sentence is correct? No. We should have to use some simple past and past continuous tenses here. So when Rajesh was running. When Rajesh was running, here I am writing continuous, children. Second one here, no, was running. When Rajesh was running, comma, he fell down and injured his leg. Injured, injured his leg. Okay, now when Rajesh was running, he fell down and injured his leg. What, children? This is the second one. Now comes to the third one. Third one is here. While he dashed it, dash to rain, play, begin. While he dashed it, dash to rain, play, begin. In underline, in bracket, what he has given? Play and begin he has given. So what the first blank contains? While he play, correct? No. While he was playing, correct? Yes. While he was playing, while he was playing, comma, while he was playing, comma, it dashed to rain, it begin, past tense, began, B-E-G-A-N, began. It was, while he was playing, it began to rain. Now comes to the fourth one, children. What is the fourth one here? The children dash a film. When the lights dash off, watch, comma, go off. Now use the word watch here. The children dash a movie. The children watch a movie? No. The children. Children means what here? Plural form children. Okay. More than one student. More than one child behind means children will come. Child, children. So more than. So what it comes to? The children were. If a child behind means was will come. More children are there, no? The children were. The children were playing, watching. The children were watching, comma, a film, watching a film. When the lights dash off, go off means what is the past tense of go off? Went off. Okay, went, W-E-N-T, went off. Next, comes to the fifth one. Fifth one, children. My mother was dash when the guest dash. Still cook, arrive. My mother was still cook. My mother was still cook. Correct answer, children? No. My mother was still cooking. Still, S-T-I-L-L, still, C-O-O-K-I-N-G. My mother was still cooking. When the guest dash, arrive, past tense, arrived, A-R-R-I-V-E-D, A-R-R-I-V-E-D, arrived. So my mother was still cooking when the guest arrived. Sixth one comes to sixth. The teacher dash when the principal dash the room. The teacher dash when the principal dash the room. Bracket teach, comma, ring. Teach and ring is there. Not teach, comma, enter. Teach, comma, enter is there. The teacher was teaching. The teacher was teaching. T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G. That means past continuous tense comes on. What is the past tense of enter? What is the past tense of enter? Entered. E-N-T-E-R-E-D. Entered. My teacher was teaching when the principal entered the room. Okay. Now, next one. Seventh one is father was dash the TV. TV means television, children. Okay. Father was dash the television when the telephone bell dash. Bracket what it has given? Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch, comma, R-I-N-G. Ring he has given. So the father was dash. Watching will come. The father was watching. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. Watching. Past continuous form. And what is the past tense of ring? Rang. R-A-N-G. R-A-N-G. Next. Last. Go to the last one. Let us see what is the question given in the 8th one. We dash ready for our journey when the power dash off. When the power dash off. In bracket get, comma, go. Both words he has given. Both words. Get, comma, go. Now we are using in which form? Past continuous and simple past tense. Here we means more than one. We means many people are there. So we dash, we get. We get is correct? No. We were getting ready for our journey. We were. W-E-R-E. We were getting. G-E-T-T-I-N-G. We were getting ready for our journey when the power dash off. When the power go means when. What is the past tense of go? When. Okay. When. Here go off also when will come. Go also when will come. Okay. What is the past tense of go? When. Okay, children. This is a small grammar part based on the which tenses? Past tense. Okay. In past tense again two parts are there. What are those two parts? Okay. What are the two parts? Simple past and past continuous. So we have dealt with this grammar part today, children. Okay. So what is your duty? You should have to write the correct answer in your textbook without any mistake. So with this I am ending my class. I will meet you with the another topic in another class.